Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So now it's time for the CVS must-do deals for next week. The current week, we got over $150 worth of product completely free, and it was a $9 moneymaker. So if you haven't checked out that video yet, I will have it linked in the description box as well as at the end of this video. I also have an amazing freebie that anyone can do at CVS next week, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. So when I do post new deals or videos, you guys will not miss out and you can take advantage of the savings as well. With the holidays right around the corner, there are going to be a ton of deals, online deals, some freebies. CVS always does well with Black Friday. So stay tuned. I will make sure I keep you up to date and get you all the information you need for the holidays. There is also an amazing online deal going on right now through Rakuten. They had the same promotion last year and it's back again for spend 30, get $30 cash back. It is for new users only. So if you do sign up, the link is in the description box, or you can use my code BREECO118. When you spend $30 online, you will get back whatever the percent is for the store and $30 cash back on top of that. I did it last year. I had a lot of my friends and family do it last year. They all got their cash back. So I highly recommend it. It winds up being completely free. So if you want to start grabbing some early Christmas deals, of course you can. Couple different key stores to highlight. Walgreens. The online booster from this week, which I didn't realize was an online booster, for spend 20, get 5,000 points. So what you can do is spend $30 online. You can also use a ton of digital coupons that we got this week for Walgreens to help lower your out-of-pocket cost. But remember, for the deal, you have to spend $30 out of pocket. So that way, once the digital coupons and everything comes off, if you're down to 20, then the deal won't work. So make sure you're adding a couple other items. Then you're going to get back 5,000 points for the spend digital booster. You're going to get back $30 cash from the Rakuten deal as well. So there's a lot of great deals that you can do if you want to do the Schick deal. That one gives you points back, so that would be a good one for online, and there is a digital coupon. The Edge Shave Gel as well gives you points back, and that one is available. There is a digital coupon there too. So I did a Walgreens haul on Monday using mostly digital coupons and then a couple printable as well. So you can always check that out for a couple ideas to put together an amazing haul. Old Navy, everything is 50% off right now. And Kohl's always has some amazing coupons that stack. And they give you Kohl's cash back as well. So lots of great deals that you can do, but I wanted to remind you guys, this is going to be ending at the end of the year. So it is for new users. Highly recommend it. $30 worth of free stuff. And there's like thousands of stores that you can choose from. These are just 3 that I wanted to highlight. Okay, some updates and information. Make sure that you send your CRTs to your card by Saturday night. Like to remind you guys every week on that, or you will lose them. If they didn't print at the red box or on the bottom of your receipts and you didn't click send to card, Sunday or Saturday at midnight, they will disappear. And you don't want to miss out on those CRTs because you may have gotten one this week that will work great for next week's deals. So make sure you send those to your card. I also added a holiday gift ideas tab to my website today because I wasn't able to do a video. I went to the doctor's today, so I wanted to still add something for you all. My website is BreeCouponQueen.com. If you go to the top, there is a new tab that I created for holiday gift ideas. Get you to start thinking about some great gift baskets, some cheap deals that you can do. There are some great deals on that, and I'm going to keep it as updated as I can. Some of the deals currently are for like the current week to stock up on some men's razors and things like that for a men's gift basket. So at the end of the week, when those deals expire, I will update it and add some different information. So make sure you keep checking back, grabbing little bits here and there, and that way by the time Christmas comes, you'll have plenty of gifts and you won't have to pay full price. Another update, Revlon and Almay coupons. I was about to add them in this video and I double checked. They expire on Saturday, which is such a bummer. So if you have a bunch of those, definitely make sure that you use them before they expire. And on Sunday, we are getting 3 amazing inserts, like tons and tons of great coupons. I already ordered mine. They shipped out today from bqsavings.com. So that is how I get them early. I'll probably get them on Friday or Saturday, which is amazing. So if you want to check her out, go for it. Vera is super, super sweet. So you can order some inserts online. That way you know exactly what coupons you're going to get and you won't have to worry about not getting the right insert. I know a lot of us don't get Retail Me Nots. We are getting 1 Smart Source, a Unilever with tons of hair care coupons, and we're getting a Retail Me Not as well. We are also getting L'Oreal Cosmetic and the L'Oreal like facial care coupons. And there's always, at the 2 Walmarts I go to in my region, tons of L'Oreal foundations and concealers that are in the clearance aisle. So if you add those with a coupon, you can easily get some overage, which would be amazing to help you towards anything else that you're buying. Or of course, incorporate that in an Ibotta haul, which is what I always do. I stop at that clearance first to see what I can do and roll that into my deals. So now let's go ahead and get right into these amazing deals for next week. This I am 100% taking advantage of. We are doing a like Halloween pinata because we're having a little Halloween party at the house. So I need tons of candy to put around the house and of course to stuff in that pinata. So next week, they are buy one, get one free. I looked online, they're typically $4.19 each. Now, 3 of them are going to be free. So you're going to pick up 6 bags of candy, which is an amazing deal. You're only going to have a price of $12.57. Then you're going to use the $5 off of 3 instant coupon that is printing the current week. So make sure you stop by CVS at some point this week, head over to the red box and print out your instant coupons and CRTs. That way, even if you're not doing a haul, you can use those coupons next week. Your final cost for this deal is just $7.57 for 6 bags or $1.26 each. All detergent is going to be on sale as well as some Snuggle items for $2.99. We are getting $1 off coupons in our inserts on Sunday. And an update on Ibotta. I finally got them to unlock my account. It took me 5 days. I submitted like 10 different tickets, kept responding to the tickets. I messaged them on Facebook. I messaged them on Instagram. Like I was just blowing them up until they fixed it. They finally fixed it today, thank God, because I was like literally about to lose my cool. But I definitely still want to share these deals with you because obviously not all of your accounts are locked like mine was. And there is a $1 rebate. It says any size for the all detergent. So make sure you're scanning it in store on the Ibotta app to make sure that it works. Sometimes different scents and varieties will work with the rebate and some won't. So you won't know unless you scan it in store on the Ibotta app and you will get $1 back. Final cost is 99 cents. Now accounts do vary, so some Ibotta accounts may not have that rebate, or you may have that rebate and get $1.25 back or 75 cents back. You never know. So definitely check your accounts and see what you have. Covergirl, I have 2 different versions for you. I know as couponers, you always see us incorporate these Covergirl eyebrow and eyeliner pencils. So if you want an easy freebie, if you're new to couponing, this will be an amazing deal. If you're sick of getting these eye pencils, I do have a different deal on the next slide, so bear with me. So any CoverGirl cosmetics are buy 2, get a $6 extra buck. This one is a limit of 1. So the cheapest item for CoverGirl is their eyebrow and eyeliner pencils. It's a 2-pack and they're $4.99 each. We have tons of different places you could get CoverGirl coupons. There is a $2 CoverGirl Eye Digital. If you haven't used it, there were printable coupons. There's also coupons from our 1011 Smart Source. So however you want to grab 2 of them and use them in this deal, then you're going to pay $5.98, get back a $6 extra buck, making them both completely free. This will also track towards CVS Beauty. I know a lot of you have been mentioning that you weren't getting your beauty box like the current week and last week. So definitely stay on top of that. If not, you can always try to call customer service. I've never had any luck actually reaching out to customer service. I'll either be on hold for like an hour or I finally get a hold of someone and it mysteriously disconnects every single time. Another thing to mention for CVS customer service, when you check out, you can't call them that day. They're going to tell you that they don't have access to your receipt and to see your transaction for 2 days. You'd have to wait 2 days, remind yourself, then call back, and then see if you can get through to anyone to help you. So that is an option as far as the beauty box if you're not getting them back. You can always ask a store manager if you have like a really nice manager or someone who likes couponers and is able and willing to help you. Definitely ask them as well. So here is the other option for you. Remember, this deal is a limit of 1, so you can do either or. This deal is going to be using a CRT for 3 off of 15 cosmetic, or if you have a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT, like I used the current week in my haul, you could use that instead as well. So you're going to grab one of the professional mascara at $7.29 and one of the Ink It eyeliner at $7.99. That'll bring you to $15.28. Again, use 2 of the CoverGirl Eye coupons, that 3 off of 15 cosmetic CRT. You'll pay $8.28, get back a $6 extra buck, making your final cost $2.28 for both, or $1.14 each. So you are spending a little bit on this deal, but you're getting some better products and a little bit of variety. So this is obviously another great option for you. So Nivea Lotion and Bodywash is going to be a great deal next week. Buy 2, get a $5 extra back. Now it says select varieties, so we won't know exactly what's included until Sunday when everything updates on the website and of course in store. If the smaller bottles are included, that will be the best deal for sure. They are $5.29 each at my store. Some are as cheap as $4.99. We have a $2 Nivea Lotion digital, and you can use a $2 Nivea Lotion coupon from the $9.27 Smart Source insert. Those coupons don't expire until October 24th, which is awesome. Then if you have a 3 off of 10 Lotion CRT, definitely add that with this deal. You'll pay $3.58, get back a $5 extra buck, making your final cost completely free and a $1.42 moneymaker. So definitely an amazing deal. You can roll that moneymaker, of course, to help you pay for any of the other deals in this video. Tresemme is 2 for $10 again. So what you're going to do is buy 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. I did put 2 shampoos here, but you want to buy 1 of each so you can get that Shopkick deal. We are getting $4 off 2 coupons in our Sunday Unilever insert. Submit to Shopkick for 1,100 kicks back, which is the equivalent to $4.40. All you do to get the cash value is multiply it by 0.004. The Ibotta rebate on my account shows it expires tomorrow, so it will not be available unless it resets. So we're definitely going to have to keep an eye out on that Sunday. Our final cost without Ibotta is $1.60 for both, or 80 cents each, and this will also track towards CVS Beauty. Schick razors are buy 1, get 1 half off, and it says any Schick disposable razors. They're also spend 15, get a $5 extra buck, limit of 1. You want to be careful because some of the Skintimate razors at my store are $9.29. So if you bought 2 of those, you would not be close enough to the $15 mark for the extra buck to print. One of the scents is $9.99, so you want to make sure that hopefully your store is stocked up and has that version available. Grabbing 2 of them will bring you to $14.98. Use 2 of the $4 Schick disposable razor coupons. There are some printables, I believe they're still available. So in the description box, I do have a breakdown for you listing all of the printable coupons that you guys can still grab. Definitely print them before they disappear. You never know when they're going to come down. You'll pay $6.98, get back a $5 extra buck, making your final cost $1.98 for both, or 99 cents each. So a great, great deal on razors. Speedstick deodorant is buy one, get one half off. And buy two, get a $2 extra buck, limit of one. Keep an eye out for your CRTs. When this deal comes around, a lot of times we'll get like $1 off of 2 Speedstick deodorant CRT. So if you do, that's going to make this deal even better. You're going to grab 2 of them. One is $2.99. The other one would be $1.49. There are printable coupons from the website. Again, it's linked in the description box for you. You're going to print 2 of them at 50 cents each. Using that CRT, you'll pay $2.48, get back a $2 extra buck, making your final cost 48 cents for 2 or 24 cents per deodorant. So that is awesome savings for sure to grab some deodorant. Even if you don't use them, you can always give them to a friend, a family member, or of course you can donate them. So that would be great as well. Here is that amazing freebie for you. So Colgate is buy 2, get a $4 extra buck, limit of 2. So we just have this deal once right now. You're going to grab 2 of them at $3.49 each. Then you're going to use a 3 off of 2 Colgate digital coupon that we have. You'll pay $3.98. Of course, you can always pay with extra bucks and you'll still get your extra bucks back, making them both completely free. If you have an oral care CRT, let me know in the comments if you've gotten any recently. I haven't had an oral care CRT in, I would say, at least a month, which is such a bummer because those used to make for some huge money makers. I used to get like $2 off of 4 tubes of toothpaste or 3 off of 12 oral care. I've gotten like 4 off of 16 Colgate before. I used that the current week, but I used to get like 3 off of 12 any oral care and things like that. So let me know in the comments what kind of CRTs you guys are seeing for that. So those are all the deals I have for you guys. Make sure you take a second, head over to my website, start looking at that holiday gift ideas tab, see what you guys can start grabbing. Super cheap. I'm incorporating different deals that I'm grabbing each week. So like, for example, this week I grabbed one of the trial and travel sizes of the Shea Moisture for the mud mask. You can grab one of those, put it in a super cute, like a beauty gift basket. Really, really great idea and very inexpensive. So grab little things here and there as you see them, clearance items, anything like that. I will be doing some videos in the future as we get closer and closer to the holidays to give you guys some ideas and some different price points. If you have a $5 budget, $10 budget, so on and so forth. And don't forget to click that link in the description box for the Rakuten deal. That right there is $30 worth of free stuff. You can get clothes, you can get household goods, household items, electronics, you name it. There's tons of deals that you can grab, thousands of stores to shop for, and it'll wind up being completely free. If you have any questions, of course, drop a comment below, let me know. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.